Can you picture yourself doing more of? Working remotely from your home in the comfort of your bed, wearing your pajamas? Or working in an office cubicle with your boss over your shoulder and not much autonomy over your actions? Today, we're diving into the ever-evolving landscape of work, how it transformed during the COVID-19 pandemic, and the subsequent rise of remote work. Let's embark on a journey to explore the impact of this shift on employee satisfaction. In the not-so-distant past, in-person work was the norm. The daily commute, office desks, the face-to-face meetings were staples of our work lives, but then, everything changed. Came remote work, the game changer. No longer confined to the traditional office space, employees found themselves working from home or anywhere that suited them. Even as the world slowly reopened, the momentum towards work persisted. Some common companies even adopted full remote or hybrid work in 2022, like Amazon, 3M, Twitter, Spotify, Lyft, and Coinbase. Now, let's talk about the perks. Remote work brought a revolution in job satisfaction, improved productivity, increased autonomy, and reduced stress became the new normal. But, of course, every rose has its thorns. Challenges like reduced human interaction, a sense of isolation, and blurred boundaries between work and life emerged. These factors played a crucial role in organizations' decisions about the future of remote work policies. Remote work doesn't just change where we work, it transforms how we experience work. It addresses the determinants of job satisfaction, autonomy, and work environment. Remote work grants employees the autonomy to create their ideal work environment, leading to improved productivity and increased job satisfaction. No more micromanaging bosses or stressful commutes.
Hi, Milton. What's happening?
Commuting, the dreaded time sink. Remote work eliminates or significantly reduces the need for daily commutes, a key factor in job satisfaction. Say goodbye to long, frustrating journeys to the office. Let's explore how remote work influences employee satisfaction and the work environment. Remote work offers spatial flexibility, allowing employees to create their ideal work environments. Studies show that this control over their workspace positively impacts satisfaction. Research indicates that when individuals have control over their surroundings, they are more content. For instance, working in a separate room minimizes distractions from unnecessary meetings and noisy workspaces. Numerous studies underscore the critical link between the work environment and job satisfaction across various industries. However, it's essential to recognize the challenges. Remote work is a newer concept in the professional world and is very connected with the technological world. The level of understanding you have with technology is called digital literacy. If someone does not understand how to use technology well, is going to have a tough time with remote work and working online at all times. Along with digital literacy, working at home also means that you are deprived of the social interactions that come with working. People thrive as social creatures, and taking that away can have serious effects on people. The move of work into the home blurs the line between professional and personal life, especially with the rise of remote work. While flexible schedules support mothers in sustaining employment after childbirth, concerns arise about reinforcing traditional gender roles. The pandemic introduced shift to remote work, coupled with extended work hours and a lack of acknowledgement for family obligations, has strained employees and work-life balance. Adequate home workspaces emerges as crucial for adapting to remote work, impacting satisfaction and overall well-being. Remote work, while reducing work-family conflict, has led to increased household and childcare demands during the pandemic, affecting concentration on work tasks and causing imbalances for working parents. The findings resonate with a 2013 study on remote workers' challenges with overworking, emphasizing the need to consider the evolving dynamics of work and personal life. So far, we have been talking about how remote work can impact people's job satisfaction. Now, let's talk about how factors in people's individual situations can cause them to experience remote work differently. A person's gender, educational status, number of children, and even age can all impact their satisfaction with remote work. However, the suitability of a workspace can include access to necessary technology and equipment and fast and secure internet, the availability of which can be impacted by socioeconomic status. Take, for instance, someone with no children who lives in a quiet home with a designated ergonomic workspace and fast and secure internet, compared to someone who lives with a large family or many roommates and who does not have a designated workspace or high-speed internet. These two people would have very different experiences with remote work. Overall, remote work brings many new advantages and disadvantages for employee satisfaction. There is no one-size-fits-all recommendation when it comes to remote work, and organizations will have to examine their employees' genders, educational statuses, ages, levels of digital literacy, and their access to the necessary resources to determine if remote work is the right fit for them.